Welcome back in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being connected and learning spoken English throughout my channel. My dear friend, although you have watched so many things to improve your communication skills, you have watched lots of things, you have learned lots of grammar, you have learned vocabularies, phrase, sentence structure. There are so many things which you have learned to improve your English fluency, to improve your communication skills. Today I have brought very important and very unique topics through which you can express yourself in deeply way. You can express your desire which is happened in the past, or you can speak about anything which is very unbelievable and very important. So my dear friend, as you can see, I have mentioned two things. There are two things through which you can express yourself without delaying it, without stopping it. I hope after watching this video you will have something extra, you have something advanced to speak English and to express yourself, your emotions, your feelings and your sentiments without facing any trouble. So these things will help you to improve your communication skills. It will improve your broad thoughts, and it is a very real and very unique things to express yourself. And this is spoken in daily life conversation, right? These things everyday people use. Without this, their conversation cannot be possible. It could not be fulfill the requirement and the expectation when you are having conversation, when you are expressing yourself. So my dear friend, आज मैं दो चीज़ों के बारे में बात करूँगा, राइट? एंड इसके द्वारा आपकी जो लर्निंग, जो इफेक्टिव लर्निंग होगी, इमेजिनेशन होगा और एक्सप्रेस करने का जो दायरा होगा वो बढ़ जाएगा. एंड डेफिनेटली यू कैन एबल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश without facing problem, and it will enhance your thoughts, it will enhance your communication skills. Definitely things will be changed and you will be enjoying. My dear friend, whenever we are expressing ourselves in a past time, in a previous time, so how we can start our sentences, so there is two ways through which you can start your sentences, through which you can express yourself. You can see I have mentioned if I were. if I were का हिंदी में मतलब क्या होता है? अगर मैं होता, अगर मैं होता या अगर मैं होती. जब कभी भी हमें बोलना होता है अगर मैं पुलिस ऑफिसर होता, अगर मैं डॉक्टर होता, अगर मैं जज होता और अगर मैं बर्ड्स होता, राइट? तो कैसे हम सेंटेंसेस को स्टार्ट करेंगे? इफ़ आई वर, राइट? इफ़ आई वर, राइट? जब कभी भी हमें बोलना होता है अगर मैं होता और इफ़ आई वर, इन सेंटेंसेस को कैसे हम बोलते हैं और क्यों बोलते हैं? जब सिचुएशन अनरियल हो, कोई भी सिचुएशन जो ऐसा अनरियल हो और इमेजिनरी बेस्ड पे हो. गैस करते हैं जब हम गैस करते हैं मीन्स पास्ट में. कोई भी जैसे मेरे पास जैसे विश है कि अगर मैं डॉक्टर होता, राइट? बेसिकली आई एम नॉट डॉक्टर, आई एम नॉट पुलिस ऑफिसर. तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? मैं विश कर रहा हूँ कि मैं डॉक्टर होता. इफ़ आई वर अ डॉक्टर, इफ़ आई वर अ पुलिसमैन, राइट? सो कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो अनरियल हो, जो रियल ना हो, इमेजिनेशन बेस्ड पे हो और हम विश करते हैं, तो अपने सेंटेंसेस को कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे? इफ़ आई वर, राइट? इफ़ आई वर. और इसे हम कब यूज करते हैं? फॉर्मल कन्वर्सेशन में यूज करते हैं. इनफॉर्मली भी आप इसे यूज कर सकते हो, बट most of the time we use these sentences, we use this line to express ourselves in a past time when things are not real. When we are talking about imagination based, we are imagining something, we can start our sentences, right? If I were, अगर मैं होता. If I were doctor, then what would be the situation? If I were become Prime Minister of India, then what would be the situation? What would I do? If I were Prime Minister of India, Prime Minister of India, I would be changing so many things. I would be taking the person who is corrupting the nation. I would be sending jail those who people are corrupting the nation, those who are like doing illegal activities, those who are like corrupting within the nations, those who are eating the nations from the behind. I would be sending to them in jail if I were प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, अगर मैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया होता, तो यहाँ मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ माय डियर फ्रेंड, यू कैन सी दिस इज़ अनरियल, दिस इज़ नॉट रियल, मीन्स आई एम इमेजिनिंग, आई एम doing imagination, this is my wish through which I am expressing. So if I were prime minister of India, so let's suppose that if I were doctor, अगर मैं डॉक्टर होता, तो यहाँ मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, इमेजिनेशन कर रहा हूँ, जो सिचुएशन है अनरियल है, कोई रियल नहीं है, रियलिस्टिक नहीं है, और ये एक तरीके की मेरी इच्छा शक्ति भी हो सकती है, राइट। इफ़ आई वर अ डॉक्टर, इफ़ आई वर डॉक्टर, आई वुड डू ऑपरेशन, आई वुड डू ऑपरेशन। इफ़ आई वर डॉक्टर, आई वुड ओपन हॉस्पिटल इन माई विलेज, अगर मैं डॉक्टर होता तो अपने गांव में हॉस्पिटल ओपन करता। इफ़ आई वर डॉक्टर, राइट, इफ़ आई वर डॉक्टर, लेट्स सपोज दैट आई एम इमेजिनिंग इफ़ आई वर पुलिस ऑफिसर, इफ़ आई वर पुलिस ऑफिसर, आई वुड डू सच थिंग्स, अगर मैं एक पुलिस ऑफिसर होता तो मैं कई सारी चीज़ें करता। इफ़ आई वर अ पुलिस ऑफिसर, आई वुड सर्व माई ड्यूटीज़ without taking any bribe, I would take the decision without any bribe, because in there are so many situations and there are so many people, when the police officer come to investigate the things, they ask for bribe, or until unless you are not giving them any bribe, any money, so they will not work, they will not work properly, or they will, if you give them money to them, so they will not work against you. But if I were a police officer, I would be not doing such kind of things. So here what I'm doing, I'm imagining, I'm describing the things in a past time. It could my wish. So you can start your sentences. If I were become millionaire, so I would purchase so many things. अगर मैं मिलियनियर होता तो मैं बहुत सारे चीज़ों को परचेज करता, राइट। If I were millionaire, I would helping in the society for the poor people, for the I would distributing so many things for the social welfare, and I would do lots of things through which people can work together and harmony and peace can grow together. If I were millionaire, so अगर मैं millionaire होता तो if I were a millionaire, right? I hope you understand. So my dear friend, this is one thing, and second things you have to understand if I was का मतलब क्या होता है, अगर मैं था, if I was अगर मैं था या अगर मैं थी, मीन्स ये हम जैसे पास्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं जहाँ पॉसिबिलिटीज़ होती है कि उस सिचुएशन में अगर मैं था तो क्या होता, राइट। कोई भी पास्ट सिचुएशन के बारे में जब हम बात करते हैं वहाँ पॉसिबिलिटी होती है कि मैं वहाँ अगर मैं वहाँ था तो क्या होता, राइट। सो जब कभी भी हम पास्ट में चीज़ों जो पास्ट में सिचुएशन ऑलरेडी इंसिडेंट्स और इवेंट्स और एनी थिंग्स हो चुका है उसके बारे में हम आज बात करते हैं, तो उस सेंटेंसेस को स्टार्ट कैसे हम करेंगे, इफ़ आई वॉज, अगर मैं था या अगर मैं वहाँ होता, राइट। Means there is possibilities that there might be I am available there, right? So possible. If I was, अगर मैं था, like if I was in yesterday's meetings, I would be taken many decision. अगर मैं कल वाले मीटिंग में था या थी तो मैं I would be changing many things, राइट। मैं कई सारी चीज़ों को चेंज करता या करती। इफ़ आई वॉज लाइक लेट्स सपोज दैट व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, इफ़ आई वॉज एट द रेलवे स्टेशन, आई वुड टेकन द ट्रेन, अगर मैं रेलवे स्टेशन पे होता या वहाँ होता तो मैं ट्रेन पकड़ लेता, राइट। इफ़ आई वॉज लेट, इट वॉज बिकॉज ऑफ ट्रैफिक, अगर मैं कल लेट था बिकॉज ऑफ ट्रैफिक, राइट। इफ़ आई वॉज लेट बिकॉज ऑफ ट्रैफिक। लेट्स सपोज दैट कल के मीटिंग में मैंने आपको बहुत डांटा, राइट। क्यों डांटा, क्योंकि आपकी गलती थी। इफ़ आई वॉज स्कॉल्डिंग यू बिकॉज ऑफ योर मिस्टेक, राइट। अगर मैं आपको डांट रहा था, क्यों डांट रहा था, बिकॉज ऑफ योर मिस्टेक। if I was scolding you, अगर मैं बोल रहा था, डांट रहा था because of your mistake. So you can start your sentences by saying these things. You can describe your words, sentences, line or events by saying these things, right? If I was delay yesterday because of my bad health. अगर मैं कल लेट हुआ, क्यों लेट हुआ? क्योंकि because of my health was not fine, that's why I got delayed, that's why I couldn't reach there on time. I hope you understand, right? So my dear friend, you can see, I hope now you have understand what are the differentiate between if I were and if I was, right? So these are the very important things through which you can express yourself, through you can talk about the past things, or you might have listened from the people when they describing about the past situation. So they use their sentences, they start their sentences by saying if I were birds I would be flying, if I were bird I would fly, right? So यहाँ imagination कर रहे हैं, right? So these are the sentences very important to describe your daily life routine, your daily life conversational things. So it will boost up your communication skills and your knowledge. So you must understand, you should do practice, definitely things are going to be possible, and you have to speak, nobody will stop you, because it's you are doing practice, you know what you have to do, and slowly gradually you will be able to understand all the things, and soon you are going to speak. I hope you understand, and you have to do lots of practice. Make some of the sentences and comments. I would like to see what are the things you are going to comments in the comments box, right? So use these sentences, start your conversational activities, conversational words through using these sentences. I hope it is a much more clear, because here I am using bilingual, I am using two languages, so that you can improve your understanding and your interpretations, right? The more you understand, the more you can able to speak. The more you are doing practice, better you will understand the things, and it will easy and helpful to improve your communication skills. My dear friend, I need your support, I need your help. If any feedback, any suggestion, you please suggest me, and kindly share and subscribe my channel. This is my beginning time. I want to give you the best knowledge. Your suggestion, your feedback, your subscription is very important, because the more you are subscribing and sharing my videos, I will become motivated, and I will bring such kind of things which will improve your communication skills. And maybe I am not perfect, but I am doing my best, I am giving my best, so that you can improve, or my learner, my friends, or anyone can learn, and anyone can improve their communication skills, and I would be very delighted. It is a big fortunate that you are learning, and you are watching, and you are giving your precious time to us. My dear friends, thank you so much. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.